What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got the CRV in the cut, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we're doing a big upgrade, and that is doing CarPlay. We're gonna finally add a little double din to the CRV because I'm tired of hearing Power 106 radio on the, every day on my way to work or something. So we're gonna be fixing it with this. We got ourselves a little Kenwood double din. It's here. Let me cover everything up. It's a DMX 7709S, and yeah, I'm gonna start pulling everything out. Right here we have the double din kit, the dash kit, and right here we have the harness adapter, and yeah. So it shouldn't be too hard of an install. Maybe time consuming. Here. Oh. So pretty much just taking down the glove box and then this whole center console area, and then pull this all out, and then go on from there. So I'm gonna be doing a quick little time lapse. First, I'm gonna tell you guys like which ones to take off and how to take it off. Try to do a little guide for you guys. But yeah, let's do it. Alright, so to remove the glove box, there's these like little things like where the it stops at. You're gonna want to pop it out from like the sides. I'll hold it up just so I can do this. So it's gonna like pop out over here. Not pop off, but like get off it. So you're gonna want to get it off right there, like kind of how I'm doing it right here. It'll let the glove box drop. It's not like how on the Civics where you could just like squeeze it from the sides and it'll drop down. But yeah, once you guys start to do it like that. So we're gonna let that all drop down, and then we're gonna start taking it off from like the bottom. And yeah, it's just pretty much screws from right there. Alright, so now let's get to the time lapse. Also, I've been living off a speaker as well on days I don't want to listen to Power 106 radio, so that's that. Alright, so we got this portion of the center console thingy off. Now we just gotta like unplug the everything else, and then go on from there. So it's pretty simple. I think I did extra work, but you just unbolt some of the bolts right here on the sides, bottoms, and then another one over here. Pop it down, and it's pretty much like mainly like the clips and stuff like that, and then disconnecting like little things like the 12 volt. And then yeah, let me go on to the next part. Alright, so once you disconnect everything, you just do 2 bolts that are right here. Can you guys see these 2? You screw those off, and then you should be able to pop this all out. And just be a little careful, don't go crazy. You're gonna want to disconnect everything back here. Yeah, you guys see? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but pretty much disconnect this blue cable, and then the AC stuff, and then whatever else is connected. So we're gonna start doing that real quick. Alright, so we got the cluster here without the old stereo. And then we have the adapter harness right here. We have all the little end tails. Right here we got the GPS wire, the mic. I have the GPS right over here, and then the mic's right over here. So yeah, here's the stereo, the Kenwood. It's really nice. I really fuck with it. So yeah, it's pretty much straightforward with the harness. You gotta like splice them together, match the color to the color to color, like red to red, yellow to yellow, green to green. So that should be pretty easy. And after that, we're pretty much good. Just gotta put the dash kit on, and yeah, I'll also be linking everything down in the description as well, just in case for anyone that's doing it. This one's like a Honda / Acura universal one for 98 to 13. So yeah, I'll leave the link. Doza built. Alright guys, and here's the finished product. Sorry I didn't like record the rest. Sorry. And then so here's how it looks. Ooh, press home. So we got music right there. And then here's the CarPlay. Got some Wayne right there. About a bump. But yeah, it's pretty quick though. Like it's actually pretty, it's not too bad. I like it. And so I mounted the mic right here, and then I also mounted the GPS over here, so it could be like tucked away kinda. I mean, it's noticeable, but it doesn't look too bad. But yeah, I got no complaints. I like it so far. The buttons are orange, so it kind of matches with the rest of the buttons on the car. But yeah, let me play a quick non-copyright song real quick, and then you guys will let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright, so we got this non-copyright music for YouTube playlist, and let's bump it up real quick. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this helps some of you guys out. I will link everything in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and oh, I also put the CarPlay cable down over here too, so it could be like kind of tucked away a little. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, follow the Instagram at Victor_Doza. What else? Yeah, I don't know what else. We are going to be upgrading the speakers. I got some DS18s at home that my brother gave me. So shout out to him. Doza Garage. Shout out the sponsor. And yeah, have a good one, guys.